So what's up, guys? Are you planning to relocate or travel to a English-speaking country, and you're coming from a non-native English-speaking country like Nigeria or any parts of an African country or Asian countries, and you have the intentions of traveling to an English-speaking country? One of the basic requirements is for you to undergo or pass through an English test, and the British Council is one of the portal that most people normally take this test. That's the IELTS exam. So in this video, just like it says, I'll be showing you how to practice IELTS exam at home. So this is quite important for you if you've booked your test, or if you've have the intention of booking a test. That means you want to write an IELTS exam in the nearest future, then this video is just for you. So it will erase the fear that most people normally have concerning the exam, because there are lots of tensions that people normally have seeking for textbooks, watching YouTube videos online on how to pass the IELTS exam. So I am here to actually erase that fear. As you can see, this is my dashboard. I've logged into my dashboard. So I'll be showing you how to practice, because that's what I've been passing through, preparing myself for this examination, because I want to write it um, on February, yes, February 2024. Depends on when you watch this video, if I've written it, and you also see the updates when concerning the results I acquire or I got. So, if you're familiar with this channel, I'll always do things practically, and I'll show you how it is done. So, like I said, I'll be showing how to practice IELTS exam at home, and we shall cover both the reading, the speaking, the listening skills, what speaking, reading, listening, and writing skills. Yes, you can actually practice them right from the comfort of your home. If you have a PC just like this, I will always advise for you to have a PC or maybe a tablet that has a larger display. A mobile phone is not really it won't give you the efficient it's not efficient enough, and it won't give you the perfect result, because the display will be limited, and what you're about to see is also limited. So this is my dashboard. Like I said, actually I've booked for an exam. As you can see, general training is on the 17th of February. This is my name. I'm not actually covering anything. I'm making them visible for you to see. And let's switch. I heard that I'm in Nigeria. Yes, I reside in Nigeria. So let's switch to the payment section. Eventually, if you've make the payments, you have access to this dashboard. Yes, you have access to everything, both the practice and the preparation section. That's only when you have access. But if you've not booked for a test, I'm sorry you won't. So, but I'm passing this pre-information for those that are yet to book for the test. And if you book for the test, you can easily have access to this platform that I am on. So as you can see, the current price is 107,500 naira. I had that there is an increment, but I don't know. So on this same dashboard, you can see um, you can actually choose the organization. That's eventually if you've gotten the test, you've written the test, and you want to send your results, you can choose an organization you want to send it to. And this is the portion that your results would appear once you've written it. So like I told you, I just booked for this test and I've not written it yet. So we are still in the early days of February. And test taker, these are the informations of the test taker. Now let's go. Once you log on, like I said, this is the portion you see. So all you have to do is to you see the first navigation section. You can easily tap on preparation. So this will open. All you have to do now is to scroll down to this portion that says IELTS ready member. And yes, IELTS ready member. So it's free for everyone, but the stop section is actually a premium that's you have to pay for it. So now you got to go to the access the free access portion and click on access for free. And of course, a new window and display will open just as we are seeing. So now we are here in this platform. You don't really need to, but in case if you're logging in or coming to this portion for the first time, you can easily watch all this video that talks about the introduction to IELTS, tips for the test of the day, advice for takers. You can watch all these videos. It's just an orientation or introductory video. So as you can see, I scroll down a bit. I've done 34 exercises at the moment, and I'm still on. I've not completed it yet, and I've not taken my mock test yet. So these are most of the information you find on this page. Like I said, you can easily watch out of this video that serves as an introductory orientation for what you know. So, but once you're here, I've gone through all this, is no longer needed. So you see the first the top navigation where you see your home mock test practice. That's if I want to take a mock test, I'm still practicing for the first time. So I click on practice, and you actually see most of the scores I've gotten. They are not hidden, like I said. I do things openly. And let's scroll. Look at the left navigation, the practice session. I want to close this a bit. So you see, it has the various skills you have to undergo, which is number one, the listening skills. You have to practice lots of tests. Then you also have the reading, the speaking, and the writing section. At the moment, I'm currently still in the reading section. So now let's see most of the scores I've got. Like I told you, I don't really hide things. In the listening section, these are some of the scores I've gotten. Yes, then let's move to the next one. Okay, I made a mistake. So now let's see look at where my mouse is actually hovering over. So you know the I stats have two categories. That's one is academic, which means if you actually want to go to UK schools, and the next one is general training. I actually booked for the general training test, which means I might be using it to travel elsewhere. It's not for academic purpose. So in this general training test, that's where I've covered most of the practices, like the listening. As you can see, these are the scores I've gotten. They're quite impressive. At least you can give me a thumbs up. 100% is 71%, and 80% in the first section. The multiple choice, I got an 83%, and also 100%. Then shots was a short question section. I have a 75%. Labeling diagram, I have 100%. What makes it easier for me is, well, I remember this very practice is the science related questions, which I'm good at. So that's the reason why I believe I got it 100% as easy as possible. So there are various practices. You practice a monologue, social contest, and the part three, academic conversation, where you have to listen to various audios. One thing I like about the audio, I prefer audios from either Canadian or American uh, native English speakers, because once you come across the audios of British speakers, I bet you they speak fast. Yes, the pace at which they speak. The accent is not a problem because I'm quite used to the accent, but the pace at which they speak their English is so fast enough that if your ability to listen is not, as in you don't have the 100 or top notch ability to listen to their words, you actually skip most of what they say. So that is the listening section. I'm true with the listening section, as you can see. I'm true also true with the monologue part. Yes, I've covered all this tests, and these are the scores I got: 80%, 7%. Academic conversation, just like I told you, I got 83%. Wow, it's quite cool. The first one, oh, I have 100% in this one. Then labeling diagram, 100%. And the monologue, part four, which is a monologue. These are the results I got. I tried. So, but I'm actually waiting for the mock test and also the exam itself. Like I told you, I will give you an update on that. I don't do things secretly. So that's the more reason why you have to subscribe to this channel. So you can do that by simply um, hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next video. Sorry for not introducing myself for the start. My name is Chibuzo Agoa, and Blogivotech is the name of this channel. It's a how-to channel whereby I teach tutorials on how to do most things, yes, easily for people just like you. And it's a technology-related channel, and I dish out videos periodically, mostly tutorial videos, and I can also cover conventional topics that are not related to technology or how to do certain things. So once you've hitting the subscribe button, automatically you've been part of this channel. So you can also give this video a thumbs up if you find it informative enough at this moment. And also, if you're confused in any section, go to the comment section below and answer your question. And by special grace, I will give an answer. So, like I said, if you reside in any non-native English-speaking country, like African countries, Asian country, most Asian countries, you need an IELTS exam. So now the reading section, this is the part that is really, really difficult. But I tried. I'm actually getting good scores. 63%, 100%. I've covered most of this section in the social survival place section and the workspace. Okay, I just did just one. So I'm still having three sections before I move to The third section, the general. Then before I will now cover the speaking skills and also the writing skills. Like I told you, once you've booked for an exam that is making your payments, you've booked for exams, you've made your payment, you have access to this portal. So it will save you the stress of seeking for lots of channels on YouTube that will teach you on how to pass an IELTS exam or how to prepare or how to practice IELTS exam at home, which covers your listening skills, your speaking skills, your reading skills, and also your writing skills. So just do this, and if already you want to write an IELTS exam, just like myself, you can be part of this channel. We can be friends. We can also always communicate, like I said, through the comment section. I'll give you an update. Yes, I'll give you my final score in the main exam itself, which is coming on the 16th and 17th of February 2024. Speaking, my speaking test is on the 16th of February. So the writing test is coming up on the 17th of February. So that's all I want to show you on this video. So giving you hope that you can easily practice IELTS exam at home at the comfort of your home. Once you have a PC just like this one, and you can dedicate certain hours to it a day. And I tell you, I promise you, or I keep my fingers crossed that yes, we'll come out successfully. So Chibuzo Agoa remains my name. I'm blogging for tech is the name of this channel. You can also browse through the catalogs, the video catalogs of the playlists of this channel, and watch other videos, tutorial-based videos that you might find informative. I actually want to show you or introduce you to this which you might not know before in case you are yet to book for a test. Just know that you have access to all this at the comfort of your dashboard instead of you seeking for tutors online that you have to pay some amount of money. So with that, will come to the end of this video. I'll see you in my next video while you still have time to watch other videos on this channel. So bye bye for now and peace.